How to use the moving average indicator. Today, we'll show you how to use the moving average indicator for quick trades starting at 5 seconds. The simple moving average, or SMA, is an indicator that helps us see the overall direction of the market by ignoring random fluctuations. Using two SMA lines with different time frames, we can get signals to open a down or an up trade. The first indicator is fast, reflecting price changes over a short period of time, while the second one is slow, showing the overall trend. Go to the Indicators section. Select the Moving Average indicator to enable multiple SMA lines on your chart. Click on the editing icon next to the indicator name in the top left corner of the screen to adjust the SMA indicator settings. Set the time frame in the window that appears. For quick trades, the first SMA line can be set with a time frame of 3 seconds. It'll be the fast line. The other SMA line can be set for 5 seconds. It'll be the slow line. Choose color and thickness. Click on the Save button. When the fast SMA crosses the slow SMA from bottom to top, it signals to open an up trade. When the fast SMA crosses the slow SMA from top to bottom, it signals to open a down trade. Let's take an example. The fast SMA crossed the slow one from bottom to top here. We can also see a sharp spike in price. This was a perfect moment to open an up trade. In this case, the fast SMA crossed the slow SMA from top to bottom, and the price went down. It's a great moment to open a down trade. Experiment with different time frames and number of SMAs depending on the volatility of the asset and the expiry time of the trade. Try now. Follow the link in the description.